The fourth and final step of strategic training and development involves measurement. First, we have to identify the outcomes of the training activities we identified in the previous step. Obviously, we want these outcomes to not only be related to the activities, but also to the training initiatives and the business strategy. To evaluate these outcomes, there are a variety of different metrics that we can use. One example is called a balanced scorecard. You will learn more about this tool in another video. Once we identify outcomes and appropriate metrics, we can assess the value of the activities and initiatives we chose earlier. If the balanced scorecard, for instance, shows that we met our objectives, then those activities, those initiatives must have worked in that situation at that time. If not, we may need to go back to the drawing board and identify new initiatives, new activities, and new outcomes and new metrics.